So this mower's coming in and it sounds like there's a bunch of gremlins in here with hammers beating on this thing when it's running. So I've got this off of here because I know it's valve train related. Before getting to this point, I get the top dead center, so I want to take the spark plug out so I can rotate with no compression. That's what's supposed to be in here, RC12YC. That's what they have in here. Freaking truck plug. Side note, it wasn't even tight. It was wiggling in there like this, and looks like it appears to be they were starting to cross thread. This is some Amazon junkie. I don't use this, but just for testing purposes, yeah, I'll use it. Well, I found out my hammering noise is coming from a stuck lifter. Now, your Kohlers have hydraulic lifters just like a small block Chevy. I don't know why I said that. I'm biased, I guess. They've got hydraulic lifters. But when I look up here, I can actually push. You might be able to see it or not. When I push, I have spring that I'm pushing against, which is the lifter compressing how it's supposed to. Down here, nothing. Intake sides up here, your exhaust comes on this side. I've got absolutely no movement. What you can do, take these out, and I've got these marked for the same length, the same exact length, but they want you to put them back in how they come out, and I agree. Taking this rod here, it's just round stock, and I've ground the tip so it's perfectly round like a ball, like these. I'm gonna show you the difference. First, I'm gonna put it up here in my top. Set it right in the center, listen and see the difference. You give it a little tap. You go bang bang on the top one. Spring absorbs it. You do on the bottom. You hear the sound difference? It's like hitting a rock. No movement. Movement. Fortunately, what sucks is I've got this nice lifter removal tool. That's great. You stick this right into your lifter end and it wedges it. You pull it out. A little problem now on this Kohler. You have to pull the entire head just to get the lifter out. It's absolutely stupid. They could have made this section open here larger, but no. They absolutely made it like this, so you have to take the head off. That's the only way we're actually going to get this fixed. So if the hydraulic lifter is not doing its job, it's not going to adjust the lash automatically, and it's going to be slamming the valves. Any space you have between there is lash. The problem is the hydraulic lifter is designed, when it pumps up, it leaves your lash pretty much minimal, right? There's no chattering. So what happens is if you're left with lash, you get chattering, right? Starts chattering and making noise, valve sounds. In this case, the lifter's locked up, so really it's hammering. Like it's just, there's no way to relieve or self-adjust. It's stuck, so it just hammers. I didn't have any clay at all, so it's like it's in a locked out position. So that could be just age, heat, bad oil. And by bad oil, I mean just a long time between oil changes, contaminants get in there, and it really breaks down. And instead of your lifter being free to move, it just seized at some point. So it might have even been slowly building up, and just locked itself open. I've got to talk to the customer on this one, see what they want to do, because this is a Craftsman rider mower, but it's an older one, and back when they made things a little better. We'll see what we can do for the old girl. I mean, she needs love in other places too, but if we can't get the heart running the way it's supposed to, we might not be able to do anything else. So stay tuned.